Neville Goddard lecture The Core of Man. Be aware you own the world. Neville Goddard was a spiritual teacher and author known for his lectures and writings on the power of imagination and the manifestation of desires through focused intention. One of his lectures, titled The Core of Man, Be Aware You Own the World, emphasizes the concept of inner realization and its external manifestations. While I cannot provide the full text of the lecture verbatim due to copyright restrictions, I can offer a summary and discuss its key points. In this lecture, Neville Goddard likely delves into the idea that the external world is a reflection of our internal state. He often spoke about the power of imagination and how our beliefs, thoughts, and feelings shape our reality. The phrase, "be aware you own the world," suggests that we are the creators of our experiences, and by becoming aware of this creative power within us, we can shape our lives according to our desires. Goddard often emphasized the importance of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, meaning that we must embody the state of already having what we desire in order to manifest it into our reality. By aligning our thoughts and feelings with our desires, we can attract corresponding circumstances and opportunities into our lives. Additionally, the concept of the core of man may refer to the essence of our being, our innermost self or consciousness, which holds the power to transform our reality. Goddard likely encourages listeners to tap into this core essence and recognize their inherent ability to manifest their desires. Overall, this lecture likely serves as a reminder of our creative potential and encourages listeners to take ownership of their lives by harnessing the power of imagination and consciously directing their thoughts and feelings towards their desired outcomes. The concept of the core of man. Be aware you own the world. Let's delve deeper into how Neville Goddard's principles can be applied to career advancement. Imagine a scenario where an individual desires a promotion at work. They may currently hold a mid-level position in their company and aspire to climb the corporate ladder. Instead of passively waiting for opportunities to arise or feeling stuck in their current role, they apply Neville Goddard's teachings to actively manifest their desired career advancement. Visualization. The individual starts by engaging in visualization exercises. They set aside time each day to vividly imagine themselves in the desired position. They visualize the details of their new role, such as their title, responsibilities, and interactions with colleagues. They immerse themselves in the scene, feeling the excitement and satisfaction of successfully fulfilling the duties of the higher position. Assumption of the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Following Neville's principle of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the individual begins to embody the confidence and competence required for the promoted role. They cultivate a mindset of success, believing wholeheartedly that the promotion is already theirs. They eliminate doubts and fears, replacing them with unwavering faith in their ability to achieve their career goals. Alignment of thoughts and actions. The individual aligns their thoughts, emotions, and actions with their desired career advancement. They set specific goals related to professional development, such as acquiring new skills or taking on additional responsibilities that align with the desired promotion. They take proactive steps to demonstrate their value to the company, such as exceeding performance expectations and seeking out leadership opportunities. Networking and relationship building. Recognizing the importance of networking, the individual actively seeks opportunities to connect with influential colleagues and leaders within the organization. They engage in meaningful conversations, build rapport, and seek mentorship from those who have achieved success in their desired career path. They leverage these relationships to gain insights, support, and advocacy for their promotion. Gratitude and visualization of success. Throughout the process, the individual maintains an attitude of gratitude and appreciation for their current circumstances and the opportunities ahead. They regularly express gratitude for their talents, skills, and achievements, knowing that gratitude is a powerful magnet for more blessings. They continue to visualize their success, reaffirming their belief in the inevitability of their career advancement. By applying these principles inspired by Neville Goddard, the individual sets themselves on a deliberate path towards career advancement. They harness the power of imagination, belief, and action to manifest their desired promotion, ultimately realizing their full potential and achieving success in their professional endeavors. Let's explore how Neville Goddard's teachings can be applied to cultivate relationship harmony. Imagine a person who desires greater harmony and fulfillment in their relationships, whether with a partner, family members, friends, or colleagues. Instead of focusing on conflicts or feeling powerless to change their relationships, they apply Neville Goddard's principles to consciously create the harmonious connections they desire. Visualization. The individual begins by engaging in visualization exercises focused on their relationships. They visualize themselves interacting with their loved ones in a harmonious and loving manner. They imagine meaningful conversations, mutual understanding, and deep emotional connections. They immerse themselves in the scene, feeling the warmth and joy of harmonious relationships. Assumption of the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Following Neville's principle of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the individual embodies the emotions of love, understanding, and harmony in their relationships. They let go of past grievances and negative emotions, choosing instead to focus on the positive aspects of their connections with others. They cultivate a sense of gratitude for the people in their lives and approach interactions with love and compassion. Communication and empathy. The individual prioritizes open and honest communication in their relationships. They actively listen to others, seeking to understand their perspectives and feelings. They express themselves authentically, sharing their thoughts and emotions with sincerity and vulnerability. They communicate their needs and boundaries respectfully, fostering mutual respect and understanding in their relationships. Conflict resolution and forgiveness. When conflicts arise, the individual approaches them with a mindset of resolution and forgiveness. They view conflicts as opportunities for growth and deeper connection rather than as sources of division. They practice empathy and compassion towards others, seeking to find common ground and resolve differences peacefully. They let go of resentments and grudges, choosing instead to forgive and release past hurts. Quality time and connection. The individual prioritizes quality time spent with their loved ones, nurturing their relationships through shared experiences and meaningful connections. They create opportunities for bonding and intimacy, whether through shared activities, heartfelt conversations, or acts of kindness and appreciation. They make an effort to strengthen their bonds with loved ones regularly, recognizing that strong relationships require ongoing care and attention. By applying these principles inspired by Neville Goddard, the individual cultivates greater harmony and fulfillment in their relationships. They harness the power of imagination, belief, and action to create the loving and harmonious connections they desire, ultimately fostering deeper intimacy, understanding, and joy in their relationships. Let's explore how Neville Goddard's teachings can be applied to manifest financial abundance. Imagine an individual who desires greater financial prosperity and abundance in their life. Instead of feeling constrained by their current financial situation or passively waiting for opportunities to arise, they apply Neville Goddard's principles to consciously create the financial abundance they desire. Visualization. The individual begins by engaging in visualization exercises focused on financial abundance. They visualize themselves living a life of prosperity, abundance, and financial freedom. They imagine themselves surrounded by wealth, enjoying a comfortable lifestyle, and pursuing their passions without financial constraints. They immerse themselves in the scene, feeling the joy and fulfillment of abundance. Assumption of the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Following Neville's principle of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the individual embodies the emotions of abundance and prosperity. They let go of scarcity mindset and limiting beliefs about money, choosing instead to align their thoughts and emotions with the belief that they are already financially abundant. They cultivate a sense of gratitude for the wealth and abundance that is already present in their lives. Alignment of thoughts and actions. The individual aligns their thoughts, emotions, and actions with their desired financial abundance. They set specific financial goals and take proactive steps to achieve them, such as budgeting, saving, investing, and seeking out opportunities for income generation. They cultivate a mindset of abundance and wealth consciousness, believing in their ability to attract prosperity into their lives. Financial education and empowerment. The individual invests in their financial education and empowerment, seeking to expand their knowledge and skills related to money management, investing, and wealth creation. They educate themselves about different financial strategies and opportunities, empowering themselves to make informed decisions about their finances and create wealth effectively. Gratitude and abundance mindset. Throughout the process, the individual maintains an attitude of gratitude and abundance. They regularly express gratitude for the wealth and abundance that they already have in their lives, knowing that gratitude is a powerful magnet for more blessings. They cultivate an abundance mindset, focusing on opportunities and possibilities rather than limitations and scarcity. By applying these principles inspired by Neville Goddard, the individual harnesses the power of imagination, belief, and action to manifest financial abundance. They let go of scarcity mindset and limiting beliefs, choosing instead to align themselves with the abundance that is already present in the universe. As a result, they attract wealth, prosperity, and abundance into their lives, ultimately experiencing greater financial freedom and fulfillment. Let's explore how Neville Goddard's teachings can be applied to manifest health and wellness. Imagine an individual who desires improved health and wellness in their life. Instead of feeling limited by their current health challenges or passively accepting their circumstances, they apply Neville Goddard's principles to consciously create the vibrant health and wellness they desire. Visualization. The individual begins by engaging in visualization exercises focused on health and wellness. They visualize themselves as vibrant, energetic, and in perfect health. They imagine their body functioning optimally, free from illness and discomfort. They immerse themselves in the scene, feeling the vitality and well-being coursing through their body. Assumption of the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Following Neville's principle of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the individual embodies the emotions of health and vitality. They let go of fear and worry about their health, choosing instead to align their thoughts and emotions with the belief that they are already healthy and well. They cultivate a sense of gratitude for the healing and well-being that is already present within them. Alignment of thoughts and actions. The individual aligns their thoughts, emotions, and actions with their desired state of health and wellness. They prioritize self-care practices that support their well-being, such as nutritious eating, regular exercise, adequate rest, and stress management. They cultivate positive beliefs about their body's ability to heal and regenerate, fostering a mindset of empowerment and resilience. Mind-body connection. The individual recognizes the powerful connection between mind and body in promoting health and wellness. They engage in practices that nurture their mental and emotional well-being, such as meditation, mindfulness, and positive affirmations. They cultivate a sense of inner peace and harmony, knowing that mental and emotional balance contributes to physical health. Holistic approach to healing. The individual adopts a holistic approach to healing, addressing not only physical symptoms but also underlying imbalances and root causes of illness. They explore complementary and alternative therapies that support their body's natural healing processes, such as acupuncture, herbal medicine, and energy healing. They work collaboratively with healthcare professionals to create a personalized wellness plan that addresses their unique needs and goals. By applying these principles inspired by Neville Goddard, the individual harnesses the power of imagination, belief, and action to manifest health and wellness. They let go of limiting beliefs about their health and embrace a mindset of empowerment and possibility. As a result, they attract healing, vitality, and well-being into their lives, ultimately experiencing greater health, vitality, and quality of life. Let's explore how Neville Goddard's teachings can be applied to personal growth and fulfillment. Imagine an individual who desires personal growth and fulfillment in their life. Instead of feeling stagnant or uncertain about their path, they apply Neville Goddard's principles to consciously create the fulfilling life they desire. Visualization. The individual begins by engaging in visualization exercises focused on personal growth and fulfillment. They visualize themselves living a life of purpose and passion, fully engaged in activities that bring them joy and fulfillment. They imagine themselves achieving their goals, pursuing their dreams, and making a positive impact on the world. They immerse themselves in the scene, feeling the excitement and satisfaction of living their ideal life. Assumption of the feeling of the wish fulfilled. Following Neville's principle of assuming the feeling of the wish fulfilled, the individual embodies the emotions of fulfillment and success. They let go of doubt and insecurity, choosing instead to align their thoughts and emotions with the belief that they are already living a fulfilling life. They cultivate a sense of gratitude for the opportunities and blessings that are already present in their life. Alignment of thoughts and actions. The individual aligns their thoughts, emotions, and actions with their desired state of personal growth and fulfillment. They set specific goals related to their personal development, such as learning new skills, pursuing education or training, or engaging in creative endeavors. They take proactive steps to expand their knowledge, develop their talents, and pursue their passions. They cultivate a growth mindset, embracing challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Self-reflection and self-discovery. The individual engages in self-reflection and self-discovery to deepen their understanding of themselves and their desires. They explore their values, interests, and strengths, gaining clarity about what brings them meaning and fulfillment. They identify areas for growth and development, acknowledging their strengths and weaknesses with compassion and self-acceptance. They cultivate a sense of self-awareness and authenticity, living in alignment with their true selves. Contribution and service. The individual recognizes the importance of contribution and service in achieving personal fulfillment. They seek opportunities to make a positive impact on the lives of others, whether through volunteering, mentorship, or acts of kindness and generosity. They contribute their time, talents, and resources to causes that align with their values and passions, finding fulfillment in making a difference in the world. By applying these principles inspired by Neville Goddard, the individual harnesses the power of imagination, belief, and action to manifest personal growth and fulfillment. They let go of limiting beliefs and embrace a mindset of possibility and abundance. As a result, they attract opportunities for growth, fulfillment, and success into their lives, ultimately experiencing greater joy, meaning, and fulfillment. The Core of Man, Be Aware You Own the World, is indeed one of Neville Goddard's lectures. In this lecture, Neville explores the idea that the human imagination is the core of our being, and that through it, we have the power to shape our reality. He begins by emphasizing the importance of understanding the true nature of imagination. Neville suggests that imagination is not merely fantasy or daydreaming, but rather the creative power that brings forth all manifestations in our lives. He states that everything we see in the external world is a reflection of what has been imagined within. Neville then discusses the concept of consciousness and how it is the primary reality. He suggests that our consciousness is what shapes our experiences, and that we have the ability to change our circumstances by changing our inner state. He encourages listeners to become aware of their thoughts and feelings, and to use them deliberately to create the reality they desire. The phrase, "Be aware you own the world," highlights the idea that each individual is the creator of their own reality. Neville emphasizes that we are not victims of circumstance, but rather masters of our destiny. He encourages listeners to take responsibility for their lives and to recognize the power they have within them to manifest their desires. Overall, The Core of Man, Be Aware You Own the World, is a lecture that explores the transformative power of imagination and consciousness. Neville Goddard teaches that by becoming aware of our creative potential and using it intentionally, we can shape our lives according to our desires.